Umentri rangba ke Jelau Conrad ke sangma ke singiningkong ulokular ba ke sorkar kan shim de gisin jam ki beting e persha ye gitu ki bedon kti ha ke jingja hala palang kabala penlong ye sangut kinong teri bela bandu no ela ke jingem ulai thu ru ba ke sorkar kadang Bishar benya ikila jingerap ban kersha ni kilong ying jong ki bela klat Habakren chikilat pathai Khubor, u Conrad uloong bagi kendon bat ki rules kila don lupa, bat ki nu ki bepen kenya ka an, bat ki kendon balabo kin omlait na ka jing penchitam.
Again, that our government has been very clear that we have said no to uranium mining in Alaska. That's it. Very simple from our point. Thank you. Yes. Will you be?
Looking into all these wells and the illegal construction?
Yeah, I mean, action will be taken against those who are doing this. There were rules, laws, and certain things were prohibited. Individuals who are not following those prohibitions are breaking the laws, breaking the rules. Appropriate action will be taken against them. And also, we are examining that there are some requirements because they are all from very economically weak section of society, those who passed away. So therefore, we are looking at ways in which we can give some support. So I am examining. I had received a letter yesterday from some of the party members from the National People's Party. The Nongkumai unit had written to me, and so did other units from even from not wrong, I think one was from Okrim and one more was, there were two more from a different constituency. So all the constituency party units have written to me. So I'm examining and seeing how we can help. The problem is that under the disaster management, there is no provision to support in accidents which happen like this. But as I said, because they are from very poor background, I will examine the matter and then I'll take it.
So, Honorable Tourism Minister had informed us that